If you're looking to install a strainer basket, there's some things you want to do and there's other things I'm going to show you what not to do. When this strainer basket was installed, plumber's putty was allowed to be put onto the threads. I had to use a chain vice grips and my big needle nose pliers, which I ended up breaking. Thank goodness Harbor Freight has lifetime warranty. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install this, so if you ever have to take it apart again, you can. The first thing you want to make sure is that these things are clean. The nut should spin on. In fact, I go as far as putting anti-seize on these things. Before I reinstall this one, I'm going to polish it up on a polishing wheel. There's no reason to put it back on dirty. You could use any grease, but I'm going to put a little anti-seize. You only want the grease on the threads. Where the lip seals, you want to make sure this is perfectly clean. Rubbing alcohol does a really good job to get it this clean. Now when you put the plumber's putty in, the surfaces will be clean. Just roll the plumber's putty out into a snake, then press it along the mating surface. I like to press it down nice and even. Now drop it into your kitchen sink, and with the rubber washer and the nut, go ahead and spin it into place. Notice how smooth the nut spins on. That means it would spin off just as easy. Now we're only gonna put this on hand tight. You can use a pair of pliers to hold it so you can spin it down a little bit more. You don't want the strainer to move back and forth, and you don't want it to spin. If you tighten it up too much, the plumber's putty will be squeezed out and it will leak. Yes, it's that delicate balance. Now that it's all in place, we can go ahead and put all the pipes back in. All the pipes underneath, also you want to use hand tight. If you use a wrench, you're going to snap these fittings. If you do use a wrench, pretend like you're using hand tight. When you put these together, there should be no tension. Keep all the pipes nice and loose until the very end, and then snug them up. Plumbing is not a game of strength, it's a game of finesse. So now when we give it a test, no problems. We've got a fixed sink. Now if you're watching this and you've got some tips, please leave them down below. There's not a day that goes by that I don't learn something new. Well, I would say this sink is ready for dishes. Well, I appreciate your time and thanks for watching.